In this tutorial, I'll be generating an image of a brain wrapped in plastic. The full prompt will be available in the description below. Just copy and paste the prompt into your AI tool, wait for the result. Once it's done, I'll generate it again. Repeat this process 3 times to collect materials for the poster design. Then, generate 3 more variations. Finally, don't forget to remove the background using any method you like. Go to File, New, Print, then choose A3 and click Create. Use the hex code as next, 2121, and fill the canvas. Next, we'll create the typography, but first, change the text color to white using the hex code as next F5, F6, EF. For the font, I'm using Nimek. The link is in the description. Type the text Neural with a font size of 300 pt. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the text. Arrange the text Neural neatly, similar to this. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the text. Press Ctrl-J again to duplicate. Repeat with Ctrl-J one more time. Hold Shift, click on the Neural Copy 4 layer, then click the original Neural layer. Press Ctrl-G to group them. Create a new layer, then apply a clipping mask. Select the Gradient tool and apply the gradient in the middle area. Drag the gradient from bottom to top like this. Then adjust the opacity controls of the gradient. Create a new layer again. Use the SF Pro font with semi-bold weight. For the text, you can type anything random or just use Lorem Ipsum. Import the generated image into this canvas. Do this by selecting Move to New Window, then drag it in like this. Next, adjust the brightness contrast and don't forget to create a clipping mask. Then adjust the exposure as shown. Apply a layer mask, make sure to use black and the necessary brush. Adjust the brush settings. Brush the center part of the brain so it looks brighter than the surrounding area. Now bring in the second generated result. Again, use Move to New Window, then drag it in. Just like before, adjust the brightness contrast. Next, bring in the third generated result. Use Move to New Window, then drag it in. Drag this layer below the others. And again, adjust the brightness contrast like before.
Next, move the barcode image into the new canvas. Do this by selecting Move to New Window, then drag it in. Resize the barcode and place it in the top right corner to make it look neat and aesthetic. Change the barcode color by double-clicking the layer, then apply Color Overlay. Use the same color as the text earlier. Now, create another text, Neural Control Unit. Using the SF font, bold, with a font size of 24 pt. Use the rectangle tool to create thin lines. Then, make small boxes like this to serve as a color palette so the design doesn't look too rigid. Use colors taken from around the image itself. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Press Ctrl-J again. I hope this tutorial is useful and helpful. I apologize if there are any mistakes in the words or content of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.